It begins with the mob boss and his soldiers going somewhere. Tony is seen capturing someone. The mob boss quickly spots the commotion and hides behind a nearby object.
Give it to me.
It turns out that the person being captured is SEAL X, and the two SWAT members seem to have a plan.
Boss, what's up?
I don't know. Boss, what else are you doing?
SEAL X is removing his suit. Then he knocks Tony's gun away
So how is
and
it
pretends
doing?
to stab Tony. SEAL X pushes Tony aside and runs away quickly. The mob boss sees this and starts chasing SEAL X. As he runs, Tony regains consciousness and continues to pretend to be in pain. With no one around, he pulls out the knife and smiles awkwardly.
Stop!
After SEAL X has run a bit,
Dummy.
he is blocked by two of the mob boss's soldiers.
Why do you want to arrest me?
SEAL X pulls out his gun and threatens them, causing them not to harm him.
My boss want to talk with you.
The mob boss appears and approaches SEAL X.
Boss.
The mob boss inspects SEAL X and then
Hello?
extends his hand for a handshake.
I saw what you did.
After shaking hands with SEAL X,
You
the
come
mob
with
boss
me.
expresses his desire to collaborate with him. Scene shifts to the mob boss Dr. Lee's base, where he is working on a computer. There is also a briefcase containing a lot of money.
Yeah, what? Hi. Yeah.
SEAL
What
X
do you do?
and the two soldiers are having a pleasant conversation.
Yeah, how do you feel about
he's
it?
a good man.
Thank you so much. Yes, okay. I know. Oh yeah, it's very simple for me. What do you say? How do you feel? That's nice.
While the mob boss is working, he suddenly receives a phone call. He goes outside to take the call,
Hello.
and we wonder what he might be up to.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hello, my friend. Oh, yeah. You are right.
Oh, really?
Yes. I will come to you. Right? Yes. Okay. Yes, I will come. Huh? Okay. Yeah. I can't sleep.
SEAL X tells the two soldiers to continue talking, so he can step outside for a bit.
Okay. Yeah, nice. I know. Yeah.
SEAL X goes outside and calls Tony. Tony
Hello?
sees SEAL
It's me.
X's call and picks up the phone to listen.
They're getting ready to go out. Yes, okay. I will go with them. You come here. We will cut them, right? Do you understand? Okay. I will come. Okay, be careful. Okay, come here now. Alright, come here.
After finishing his call, the mob boss
Yes, sir.
instructs the two soldiers to call SEAL
come here,
X
come
out
here.
to join him.
Hi, let's go now. Okay.
Tony also goes to the front of the vehicle to retrieve a briefcase, and then quickly heads to the mob boss Dr. Lee's base.
Alright, where is this? Oh,
Hi,
let's go.
Let's go.
Huh?
Come on.
Okay.
Hi, what's wrong with
I
you?
don't know. Boss,
SEAL X
we'll go by guns.
and the mob boss
Let's go.
tells him to hurry
Right,
up and come
follow
with
me.
him. SEAL X selects a gun for himself.
Alright, you two stay here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Careful. Alright, let's go. Boss,
He reminds the two soldiers to be careful and then heads to the meeting point. Scene shifts to another location, where two men in red are waiting for the mob boss to arrive for the transaction.
Aye, they're coming.
The mob boss arrives and discusses the transaction with the two men.
Hello? Yeah, hello my friend. This is Johan. Where's my money? Alright, give me.
SEAL X opens the briefcase for the men in red to inspect, and they nod in approval. SEAL X and the mob boss both handle the guns to check them. Tony arrives at the location, hides behind a wall to see if anyone is there, and upon seeing no one, he enters.
Oh no.
The two soldiers are still chatting pleasantly,
Yes.
unaware of the situation.
Yes, how do you see her? Oh, yeah, ready?
Tony spots the two soldiers and starts shooting them repeatedly. One of the soldiers returns fire at Tony. The transaction is proceeding smoothly. Tony quickly throws a smoke grenade towards them. Tony also shoots and kills the two soldiers on the spot. Having dealt with the soldiers, he heads upstairs. Tony enters the room with the computer and turns it on. After checking the data, Tony puts the computer into the briefcase. With his task complete, Tony goes to find SEAL X.
Okay, alright, good to go.
The mob boss's transaction is successful.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Okay,
Okay.
Fine.
See, okay.
See, okay. Right.
Seeing that Tony hasn't arrived yet, SEAL X shoots
What are you
and
doing?
kills the two men in red, and then points his gun at the
Are
mob
you
boss.
crazy?
SEAL
I'm
X
SWAT.
also shows his SWAT badge to
SWAT.
the mob boss.
Yes, I am SWAT. You have been arrested. Raise your hand, now!
The mob boss quickly knocks SEAL X's gun away and runs upstairs. The mob boss goes upstairs and runs out onto the balcony to hide. Tony arrives at the transaction site and finds the two
damn it.
men in red dead. The mob boss emerges, firing wildly at SEAL X. SEAL X is shot by the mob boss, causing him to drop his gun, and he quickly hides. SEAL X searches his surroundings but finds no weapon. SEAL X is subdued by the mob boss.
Should they betray me? Damn it. You can't escape. Ready?
As the mob boss prepares to shoot SEAL X, Tony arrives and shoots the mob boss.
Hey, sorry, are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Thank you so much. Oh, yes, no problem. Oh, where's the laptop? Here, huh?
SEAL
Yeah.
X sees Tony
Good
has
job.
retrieved the computer,
Hey, let's go.
and the two of them head back to the base.